Garnish. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. I'll tell you how to make blue wave mocktail. First of all, take a tall glass, then you have to add some ice cube into the tall glass, then you have to add some litchi juice, 60 ml of litchi juice, and you have to add some lime syrup, 500 lime syrup. After that, you have to add some blue Curacao syrup, then simply fill the glass with Sprite and soda. Okay, see, and you can garnish. Then you have to stir all the ingredients with the help of stirrers and serve with straw and garnish umbrella. See, there is very fancy mocktail. This is the like blue wave mocktail. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.